In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Australia to Sri Lanka. To do this, I would personally use Remitly. I found it to be the cheapest and easiest way to do it. So what you want to do is just go to the Remitly website. From there, set your country to Australia, and where it says to, just gonna search for Sri Lanka and select it from the list. Now after doing that, scroll down a little bit until you see the exchange rate, and from there, gonna click on get this rate. And if you don't have an account yet, just click sign up from there. If you already have one, you can sign in. After doing that, click on send money. Now for me here, it will be in euro and the Dutch flag, since I'm Dutch. For you, it will be the Australian flag and the Australian dollar, but the process is the exact same. So just enter how much you would like to send, and from there, click continue. Now here you can choose the delivery method, so they have bank deposit, cash pickup, mobile money, and debit card deposit. So they have a lot of options. For this example, I'll go with mobile money, and then you need to select their mobile wallet, or if you pick bank, you need to select which bank account they use. And from there, just enter their first and last name and optionally middle name. Then if you select the mobile wallet, you will need to enter the phone number associated with the mobile wallet. And after doing that, you also need to choose how you are going to pay for the transfer, and then you will get to an overview. There, just make sure that all the details are correct, and if they are, you can then also see how long it will take for the money to arrive, and then you can go and pay for it, and then the money will be delivered to your recipient in Sri Lanka. So now you know how to send money from Australia to Sri Lanka. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.